Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for your Google Slides and so on and so forth, for your Google Workspace basically. So today we're going to go ahead and focus more on Google Slides. So what you want to do once you have upgraded your plan to ChatGPT 4, you want to go ahead and explore GPTs. And here you want to go and search and write down Google. You can write down Google Slides if you want to, and now you will get these options like Slides, create an entire Google Slides deck in one prompt. You can also go ahead and build a presentations on slides for PowerPoints, PDFs, and also Google Slides. And basically you can create here a presentation with this tool, or as I said, with this one. So this is only for Google Slides. And as you can see, you can go ahead and create one. The capabilities would be browsing, DALL-E images. It can generate images for your presentation and some code interpreter and data analysis. Now for Google Docs would be the same. You're going to write down docs, and then you can see that you can use this one, for example, chat with your Google Docs, Sheets, presentations, drives, Notion, and so much more. And basically you're gonna just click start chat, and after that just ask the questions that you want to. And so yeah guys, that's basically it, how you can use ChatGPT for Google Workplace. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.